used to wake up feeling like I was carrying a weight around my middle. But since I started incorporating the gelatin trick into my daily routine, those sluggish mornings are a thing of the past. Let me explain. It's funny, I was initially drawn to the gelatin trick because I'd heard it could help with digestive issues. But what I didn't expect was how it would totally transform my mornings. I mean, I'd always thought of myself as a morning person, but now I actually feel like one. The gelatin trick has become this simple, consistent ritual that sets me up for the day ahead. I love how it's just a matter of mixing some gelatin into my water or tea, and then waiting for it to work its magic. My friend swears by the gelatin trick too, and we often chat about how it's helped us both wake up without that bloated feeling. If you're curious about the gelatin trick and how it can change your mornings, be sure to check out the link in my description for more info. And take a look at the pinned comment below where I've shared some of my favorite gelatin trick tips. By giving the gelatin trick a try, you might just find that your mornings become a whole lot brighter.